I love this. Some people get $10 and some get $100 from the same content. The difference is one. Someone asked me this question here some time back on a call asking, Ime, which content, what can I do to make sure that I earn much? Because I always display some of them, my RPM and CPM, and I put it here. It's one of the topic I put here. What pays more? So, guys, welcome back to this mind-blowing video. This mind-blowing video, I'm going to be showing you what pays more if you're a creator on social media, if you're a creator online. You might be also here. You can put on the comment section what brings your payments to be high. If your payments are high, my payments are always high. Like on Facebook, I always get $2 and above my earning rate. Talk on YouTube, my RPM is always up from $15 and above. There's a difference between RPM and CPM. So the higher the CPM, the higher the RPM, and that is money. So guys, you might be having the same content. You might be posting. I might be posting, but my earnings are more than yours. You're going to understand it too from this video today. So like it, share it to your friends who are creators. You can go ahead and even share it to the people who feel like they want to start content creation or blogging. But before, guys, allow me to put a disclaimer forward. I'm not saying that the moment you start today, you're going to score hoops of amount of money, dollars. No. I'm not saying you're going to buy the Range Rover of your dream, the house, no way. Vacation, no way. I'm saying these are the tips that can help you build your passive income with your smartphone. They have helped me as tips. They've helped 2 to 10% out there, the creators. So just take this video as educational purpose. Only that. My top engagers, come here. I love you so much. Let's dive in, guys. This video is going to be short and precise, and the last three to four of the factors that makes you earn more are very important. So continue watching. The first is high income skills. High income skills, they pay most. Why do they pay most? They pay most because most of their businesses, they need these people. For example, if you have a skill in editing and if you're trying to bring out that content, it means these businesses are going to put a lot or high premium ads on your videos. So this will get you some good dollars. What are these high income skills? We have like copywriting, we have video editing, we have digital marketing, we have sales and closing sales. These are if you master one skill, companies can pay you monthly when you're doing things here. They can even end up retaining you. Creation online. We are talking about what pays more online. Content creation, and if it is this one is a long-term wealth input, it will be giving you money massively. One, it's Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, all these ones. They can pay big, but if you do this, if you target high-paying niches like finance, business, and how to make money, they can, if you build a strong audience, also that money comes from ads, it comes from brands, it comes from monetization, and one viral video can pay you repeatedly. This is not a one-time thing, content creation. The third one is selling digital products. Digital products are very, very marketable. And these big digital products, we talk about templates, we talk about ebooks, we talk about online courses. If you want to know how to make all this, put it in the comment section. And if you want also how to be financially free, template is available at $1.5, provided you pay it. It's just small and we want to be wealthy, all of us. So what you do here, you create once and sell forever. No limits of income. You can sell on different platforms. Let me know if you want this in details. We have affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing makes you earn money high online. What you do here, you promote products, people's products, and earn commission. You don't need to have a shop. You don't need to have physical products. What you need to have, you just need to know the platform to deal with, like Amazon. So, for example, if people use your link, 100 of them, you are going to get money. Even if they don't buy the same product, provided they have used your link. Then the fifth is freelancing. This one is for fast cash. Platforms like Fiverr, like Upwork, platforms like paid work. These ones, they pay quickly and highly, especially if you're a graphic designer, if you're a good writer, if you're a social media management person. Not always scalable, but great for starting. And you are going to say, Christine, I don't know how to write. If you don't know how to write, you can write still. Put in the comment section, I'll show you how. Then the sixth one is e-commerce and online business. E-commerce is you sell products. What you need to do, you might not have physical, even drop shipping. You make a lot of inquiries and start from there. You don't need capital, you just need strategy and you need patience. You guys, the highest people online are not just posting. They solve problems, they give value, they build systems. So if you want to earn more online, don't chase platforms. Chase skills, chase value. If you really need more about this, I want you to put it in the comment section. I'll come back for you. Thank you.